Hello, my wonderful and amazing Vimeo followers. I have some bittersweet news that I have to share with you today. Vimeo has announced that they are shutting down Vimeo on demand later this year. And unfortunately, that means all of my video tutorials will disappear. They'll go into the ether after November 20th. I uploaded my very first Vimeo video back in February of 2018. And over the last several years, I've built up a library of over 215 tutorial videos. And even more importantly, I feel like I've built an amazing community of enamel artists from all over the world. And it's not just me. We all did it together. And if you've been one of my Vimeo subscribers, I just want to say thank you. Your support over the past 8.5 years has meant more to me than I can say. It really, you have helped make it possible for me to become a better enamel artist, and everything that I have, it's because of you guys. So, but that being said, let me give you the logistics of what is going to happen so you can decide how you want to proceed. Here's what Vimeo has told me. On August 22nd, of this year, that will be the last day that I will be allowed to upload videos to Vimeo. So everything's going to be normal until then. And then on September 21st, you will no longer be able to subscribe to Vimeo on demand. And if you have an auto resubscription, that will also end automatically on the 21st of September. So if you're fine with keeping your membership going until then, you won't have to do anything. It will just end on its own. And then on November 20th, everything will be deleted, just gone. But don't worry, don't fret too much, because I did sort of see this coming down the pipeline. And if you don't already know, I'm sure you do, I have created a YouTube channel that will have all the same content. I'm going to double check before everything gets deleted that it has the exact same content. It's the same price. I've demonetized it, so you won't have to watch, as far as I know, commercials when you watch my videos, if you are a member anyway. And I really, really hope that you will consider moving over and supporting me on YouTube. This has been kind of my main revenue source, so whatever, I might be working at Home Depot next year. I don't know why it's always Home Depot. I don't even know if they would hire me, but that's kind of my backup plan. So I hope you'll consider. I'll put a link to the facts if you are interested. If you need to learn how to unsubscribe, I do not have any access to your Vimeo subscription. I can't go in and do it for you. So worst comes to worst, on September 21st, it will just end for you. And I'll give you a link to the YouTube membership if you would like to move over. Again, thank you guys so much. And there's going to be a giveaway on YouTube. So on November 1st, I will be giving away a beautiful something cloisonné chamleve piece to one of my lucky, maybe several, because you know I like to give things away on YouTube. So if you go over and become a member on YouTube, you will be eligible to win a prize. But don't do it just because of that. And I hope, anyway, thank you. This has been a bit rambly. Thank you so much for supporting me on Vimeo all these years. You guys are the original flavor. But moving forward, I am going to be this vessel. It's not necessarily going to be a tutorial, but I'm going to walk you through how we're going to do that together. So that's something to look forward to on YouTube. So again, thank you so much. And if you have any questions, you can email me, and I will do my best to guide you. Thanks again, everybody. Take care.